The death is announced of Matthew Riviere, also known as Chobor, originally from Soufrière but resided at New Dock Hill, Vieux. He passed away on Wednesday, 28th July 2021, at the age of 77. He was a fisherman at the Vieux Fisheries Complex. Left to mourn, his children, Titus Joseph, Mervyn, also known as Joseph, Ralph and Miranda Dovai, Venetia Gilbert. Sisters, Marie Riviere Hyacinth, also known as Mimi, Veronica Wells, also known as Vavai. Brothers, Remus Riviere, Albert Riviere, Gregory Riviere, Peter Riviere, Orestes Riviere, also known as Sheba, Ronald Riviere, Martin Riviere. Children of his late brothers, Leonard Riviere, Valence and Justin Riviere. His uncle, Wilson Lawrenson, also known as Cagney, and family. Also left to mourn, his fishermen friends, especially Aboy, Jean Jacques, and Tracy of Choiseul. Many nieces, nephews, relatives, and friends, both here and abroad. The funeral service for the late Matthew Riviere, also known as Chobor, will be held at Our Lady of the Assumption Church, Soufrière, and the body will be laid to rest at the Soufrière Cemetery. The body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, Vieux. May he rest in peace.